Yo, what's up, boys? Alright, so this is gonna be trading recap number two. So this was Monday, or whatever, today. Okay, so like I said, if you haven't watched my weekly bias for this week, but going into today, so we saw this, and I was already thinking we were retracing on the 4 hours, so I'd like to see some bullish structure, and take out some of these highs here on today. Obviously, we didn't do that, but okay, let's just keep reviewing. So on the 1 hour, we had these London session lows. Okay, and so I just marked out these London session lows. This is a pretty just textbook trade today. Okay, so here, where I usually like to trade is about like 10 a.m. So I see we take out these lows, and there's a bunch of other lows in here as well. Low time frame liquidity lows. And I saw we swept out all those, and we swept out our London session lows. And then where the time I like to trade is like by 10, and there was no retraces on this leg up. There was one right here, but I knew there was like news dropping and the 4 hour candle opening at 10 o'clock, so I just wanted to stay away from that. And then I saw we swept out some form of a 1 hour high. I think this was London session high right here. Yeah, so I saw we did that on 10. I don't know if you guys were watching the markets or trading today, but this candle was crazy. Like went down here, then jumped up, and it was a crazy candle. And I was like, okay, I might not even trade it after seeing that. And then I saw a huge move down, and I entered right here because I saw this fair value gap. And what I've been doing is I've been placing my stop loss below where the point of liquidity was taken. So I entered. And then, okay, when it broke structure right here, I entered right off here. Boom, right away, we saw our, why can I not think of the word? You know what I'm talking about, though. What is this huge leg up? What's that? Okay, alright. Whatever. We'll figure it out. Sorry, guys. It's a little late. I'm a little tired. Okay. Alright, got this huge move up, and it took a while for me to hit my take profit. But I saw these two highs. I'm just like, okay, these are gonna be easily like achievable. So, and I was just like, I'm not gonna have what, like a 1-to-1 ratio. So then I scaled up, and I saw this little 1 hour fair value gap. I'm just like, okay, I know that's achievable if we've broken past these highs. We maintain bullish order flow on the 5 minute and 15 minute. So I'm just like, boom, okay. So then right here, okay, I'm getting lost here. Oh, it's on the 1 minute. Yeah. This is all on the 1 minute, by the way. Yep. Okay, so entered off this retrace, stop loss below here, take profit above here, and it took us about what, like 30 minutes to hit. And on NQ, obviously, it was just way out of whack. It was weird. So I just usually what I've been doing, I haven't been like paying attention to like the other index, so Nasdaq. It's been confusing me lately, especially with these markets. I've been obviously looking at it, paying attention to it, but I feel like most of my trades the last 2 weeks have been me mostly just looking at ES. I'll look at Nasdaq once in a while. You'll see a couple trade recaps where I actually will look at it, but I always do look at it, obviously, but that's more of my higher time frame SMTs, like 5 minute SMTs. I just go off my head, my textbook, my intuition. Um, and yeah, that's trading recap number two for May 5th, 2025. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll be posting tomorrow, the rest of the week, and on Saturday. Oh yeah, and don't mind my delayed trading view. I just bought another trading combat on Top Step. I'm going to, but what? Today was like a $500 day for me on Top Step. I think I'll start showing my just Combine or whatever, Top Step X. Um, whatever that trading view instead of actual trading view. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I don't think I didn't buy the new trading view subscription. I think I might just, cause like it's getting hectic trying to switch back and forth in classes and shit. But I'm not for sure. Um, but yeah, let me know how you guys did in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, see you boys. See you boys tomorrow.